fine. Now let me go with the problem number 9. One of the equal angles of an isosceles triangle measures 55 degree. Find the measure of all the angles of triangles of that triangle. That is, you know that isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle. Here there are two angles are equal and two sides are equal. So now the sum of the angles of the triangle, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So in case of isosceles triangle, two angles are, two sides are equal, right? Right, now 55 degree they have given, so that is what happens here. 180 degree minus one angle is 55 degree, another one is also 55 degree. So you are going to get the answer, that is the third angle is 180 degree minus 55, 110, which is nothing but 70 degree. The answer for those was, first one is 55 degree, and the third angle is 170 degree. This is the answer. If you add, you are supposed to get 180 degree, right?